Hey, I'm here at the 2022 Match Trucking Show in Louisville, Kentucky. One of my favorite YouTube truckers.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. What's going on, man? This your boy Lboogie with the hoodie. You know I'm blessing the Lord, highly favored, excited about Jesus, excited about the word of God. My cup is running over, and I still want some more. How about you? I want to let you know that right now, guess what? It's the greatest moment in time. You ain't gonna never get this time back right here. So you need to go, make the most of yourself. Make sure you follow my boy here, and guess what? Hey, we out of here.
Yeah. Thank you, and y'all be easy. And remember, stay smooth, my friends.
Every single day